Dumela mabugo ga ke romgelesegile via. It's your girl Dineo Caro, and of course this is CMTV. Niyathembana na ke hime iskatika another episode. Ke re mogatsa ke don't be like me. Rena ba bang re magwala. We run away from this love thing. Guess what? Ke ne ke re ke tshwere nice ka rana. Mike the most darling. I'm so sorry. Marmo mo ra kopantsha marato or ra kgaogana. Now I'm just saying gore ke bile le kwala and I am le kwala and I'm no longer running away and I hope gore fandaga mo strateng we're going to find people that actually love each other. Ntshele morago and see what's happening. Dumela mabugo go ga ke re lomogelesegile via it's a girl Dineo Caro and this is CMTV my skat kemo. Niyathembana na lantse ba ka couple teaching phones my skat. Na ke a re lo jola jwang rena re sa jole. A re tsamaye mo strateng re ba kene and see gore what's happening. Ntshele morago and see.
And wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke. Ngizayimela mina lo nto.
Indaba yazikwenzakalayo.
Lo kusendela amabali.
Ari mutle pelo.
It's not what you think, man. Khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years and lokhu
Bathi,
akithola pisha ke monna.
so now I made the baddest decision I liked about the ex. It's exciting thing.
Ashu.
I'm telling you, yeah. Dumelang, hi guys. How are you? Kesha, basically Denina la phela. Ah, eh yawe. Awoza la anishivel. Ilanga liyashisa. Mugelo waphi skirt sisinice yana hawushi. Ni jage kuphi? How about you guys? Wabona ke tshwere camera crew. My name is Dineo. Ke tswa CMTV man. Can I talk to you?
Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah? How mind the face camera ne? Oh mona ate ke dilo tsa December atamela mo skat. Come closer. Come closer. Kopolong ke mo hare. You don't mind? Don't worry my brother. Angeke ngokuthathele. Wena right again.
Ngishaphi.
Yeah, what's your name?
Nompumelelo.
Nompumelelo. Where are you from Nompumelelo? Soweto. Unalebo.
That's the thing.
Unganyana ole wantalogeng. Hey, how are you my brother?
Ngaphi Johnson.
Nami ngiyaphila. Ukhuluma isiZulu?
Yebo ngikhuluma isiZulu.
Wena usukaphi brother?
Siwakhona Soweto.
Soweto. Igama lakho?
Simphiwe.
Simphiwe. Kuphi Soweto?
Mzimhlophe sis.
Mzimhlophe. Wena udula lwena Mzimhlophe.
Angise Orlando mina.
Uso Orlando East West. Awe.
Kaskal.
Oh, umanyano lwakasi oline.
Yeah.
Yes, are you guys dating?
Yes, we are.
Oh, yabona man ukumunati ne.
Umuntu wami mfisa.
Wena awufuni next ne.
Umuntu wami yo.
Uyivutisa kanjani relationship ukuthi vele ithi ka.
Oh, baby wami uyazi udali. Axoxela nje.
Ne. Ni nesikhathi singakanani njalo?
Sina 3 months.
3 months. And you guys are not going back to exes ne?
I don't think so.
That's a word of today. No exes. Right? No more exes.
No.
So, do you trust your person?
Yes, I do.
And how much do you trust your person?
90%.
90%.
I think.
Let 10% uyishiyelan.
Hope
Ne?
Yeah.
Ninhliziyo yakho mesikhathi. Yeah, when you trust your person?
Mina nje ngithanda kakhulu baby 100%.
100%.
Ngoba naye uhlala uyazi uyahlala ngimtshela ukuthi baby ngithanda ngale ndlela ukuthi manje
That's sweet.
nama ex ami.
That's very nice. And what is it that you really love about your person?
Besho umuntu ngithanda into eyi-1 ngabe ngihlonipha. Nginika isikhathi sami. Anytime mina ngimdinga ngiyamthola. So this one ngithanda 100%.
Yeah. So you wouldn't mind if we were to play a game and
What kind of game?
it's a relationship game. How it's called couple switching phones for 60 seconds. Ungena ku phone yomuntu wakho for 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Ukubona nje ukuthi angithi niyathambana. 3 months is still new. You guys must be like really loving each other. How?
Yo, njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngithanda 100%. I'm so disappointed ukuthi ngithanda 90%.
Athi ibhlungu lewa ne. So nango ke. That's the thing. That's the point ukuthi manje kumele ukuthi singene efonini yakhe for 30 seconds sibona ngithi.
Yam or yakhe phela.
Both.
Why both?
Bata gore mpumi batho both. Come close. Why you guys here?
Right, it's fine.
No, yeah, there's equality here, my darling.
It's fine.
You look nice. You're so short. You look very nice though. Yeah, the phone again. Hello, mind again.
No.
Awumchitela umuntu wakho.
Sungikala ngekabani.
Angazi nini.
Neyakho.
Ufuna yaka bani? Ikhiphe neyakho. Ikhiphe.
Stress now.
Ikhiphe. Wena right.
Mina ngiloyal kuwe so angena inkinga nefoni yabo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, even ngaba 2 hours anga stress because ngiyazi ukuthi angina something azoyithola efonini yakho.
Uyathanda ukumspoila umuntu wakho?
Kakhulu uyazi naye sithando sami.
Yo, uthanda imali girl or materials?
Everything nice nje.
As long as imali ikhona.
My khona kuspendiwa nje, it's fine.
So money is your love language.
Not exactly, but imali my khona indliba happy.
So what's your love language?
Happiness nje.
Happiness.
Ngiyabona picnics, going out nje.
Ne, some cute stuff. Thank you guys actually for giving me your phones. Ne, Asiropani. I like people like you who cooperate to play games like this. Ne, so zokala ngefuna kabani.
Yakhe.
Yakhe. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zinel Kara. This is CMTV ni atibwana na. It's very power of my skat. Why you talk kita makatrach. Kita makatrach. Ke buaso ya how ke fi my brother.
Kiyak.
This one. Oh yeah. Siblings. Kala ngothi ngiphathele okay. I-right phone yakho ne. Okay. Ngibambele amthi ngibona. Okay, ngicela ngokuthi umfakele i-password yakho. You guys have a child together. Oh no, it's actually 3 months. But are you planning?
No.
Kopa kena mo WhatsApp. Elori wa impumi. Tena message. Usazi mngani? How old are you?
23.
Oh, 23 mpumi. How old are you?
25.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiyang.
All right. Kopa unsechele I miss you. Unsechele I miss you. Khona le motho mo misang except for your person.
Mina ngiwamisha bekho umuntu engikhuluma.
Kunomama yakhe, cousin yakhe. Phela.
Okay.
Ungazibali nawe dala.
Ngithi kunamba.
Phumeza.
Angithi kuwa.
Bebe. Okay, kopa unsechele I love you. Umuntu othanda romance.
Ngiyazi people wami ngithanda nje izinto eziromance
Ne.
mana sifuthi
Stili mosi.
What's your love language?
Yimi stili.
What's your love language?
love language is like understand ngisho kanjani the pieces because mina nje
Like stuff that you do that are nice for your women. Okay, ngicela ukuthi ungichekele. Uyasenda ama nudes?
No.
akafuna
You don't do
yazi.
Girl with those legs, huh?
No, we don't do that.
You don't do that?
No.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Kabana yang.
Uyazini and kuse qala manje.
Ngeke.
Ngicela ukuthi ucheck ama nudes sibone ukuthi akatholi. Mhlambe
Ay le phone yabhoka nama ngibami.
yabora. Uyamthemba umuntu wakho ne?
Yeah.
But when you've never thought of like checking it up.
I do. But
Okay, fine.
all the time.
Ponchekele come outside. Not really come outside actually. Sex.
Okay.
We are sexana except for ngithi hayi game phela.
Akunale topic ka sex esikhuluma ngayo.
Okay. You don't actually have any apps. Ngicela ukuthi ngingena negallery. Sibone ma picture ni.
Yonke into njengoba ngishilo ithombe
Yeah.
khona ezakhe then nama cousin wami.
Before Jola naye, how long have you been single for?
Umuntu omehlukona I think it was last year June. Yeah, I think it's June. Yeah, last year June.
You guys not talking and it's ningaphindi ni talk.
Siyamnje uyazi angifuni next into engihlanganisa next time ngaphandle kwakhe.
Okay, I'll cheat, brother. I'm actually proud of you. I'm actually really proud of you. How do you feel ukuthi umuntu akacheat vele? Wena lena ke ra o cheat. Ka 90%.
Yang cheat.
Unblock.
Oh, lo 90.
Unlock mo ka 90% ke ra o cheat.
Nix. Clean.
Ke tsenya mo. Tsa. Yeah. Re qale re reng so o rata eng so freaky.
Ay ngithanda umjive.
Tell him Jeff.
Going out.
Come outside. O rata tswa ko kae?
Like
PH konje ba bitsang P.
corner.
Oh yeah, there's zone 6.
Milo bekuyimpibi lo bengiphuma
Yeah.
Konje what's your name again?
Simpiwe.
Oh.
Yes.
Check sex. How rata dilo tsa toilet so bo fast a o le go monating.
Yeah.
O type if when you go out.
Last dark ndaba bo. So
Ke show kanjalo Miss Kat. That's called last.
Saseyini futhi nalona baby they thought that last time isigcina ukheva ngithi. Okay ngikele ukuthi I miss you so much and it's been so long without having sex. So what? Yimi Simpiwe ngithi. So nje
Angishisa
Ma why Simphiwe tsa number tsa 2?
angithi lo munye usisi wami.
Wa mo tseba sisi wa ke batho mo Simphiwe?
sisi wakho from nini manje Dali yabona?
Lo waseNewcastle.
WaseNewcastle.
Simphiwe it's a unisex. Nti sibone ukuthi ba kopa tshware mo.
But-
Kopa phone re mo founele fast.
Hayi.
Wa mo tseba Simphiwe it's a unisex ne? E tshwana nabo thathu.
Nabo. Bathi wangitshela sonke.
Bengizokutshela kanjani?
Abo Chris, oh Chris it's a unisex.
Yabona baby kodwa ngizwe yabona ngitshela ngona
No, relax, nix.
Yeah, I just want to hear if like
And into
uSimphiwe uyintombazana ngithi.
Yeah.
I just want to see angithi wena ukhuluma ngabe.
Fonela.
Yeah, what?
Hey, abathu my darling, ke rata dilo tsa khwapkhwapa bona. Fast fast.
Ungamfoneli.
Why not? I get wena ucheat miskati.
Mangithi.
Awucheat.
Manje kumele uzumfonela ayithi besikhuluma.
Samufonela man Mpumi man. Awufuni ukwazi wena.
Ufuna ukwazi why baby kanti?
Angithi match to wamiyeka.
Sebenzini what if busy? What if something?
Izingane.
Awuyasebenza.
And okokuqala mina ukwazi ungitshele baby.
Usuyamaza
Kule 3 months esina.
Usuyamaza ngithi. Sowunamaza ngithi nawe.
Ngampili.
Hayibo.
Ungadlali ngami ne?
Ntisimo usemsebenzini.
Yeah, uyasebenza.
Sisomzama futhi.
Wayangayibambi.
Okay.
Wena you've never usole asamo usole next ukuthi lo muntu uyakujolela.
Yazi baby wami mina mfisile wengilo yangakhona kuye. Ngithemba is like 100% njengoba from start.
And it's still 3 months. Is it that bad?
Mina ngithi njengoba ngisho
Mina ngishithi ke gabanga.
Nginalimaka. Sheba akethi so.
Simphiwe ke.
Kuba wethe
Kumele
Ubhale ngegama lami.
nabafana mina.
it's a nuts. It's a nuts.
Igama lami.
How?
Unlock mo. Unlock. It's a nuts.
Ha.
Akuna ha. Kantani kana
Siyaqeda angithi siyamfonelanga.
How?
Siyaqeda.
ayithi umtholile.
Type nuts mo. Type nuts mo.
Kanti wayi mina yami phone thathi isikhathi eside ngayo.
Ekethe akire solanga.
Akhona
Celi-
ubani bafana.
Hawu bafana lo.
Ubani bafana.
Bika besa.
Ah.
Bike.
Awangijwayile yabona kahle kahle.
We uskata hello.
Yabona.
Ari mutle hello. Obuthi Simphiwe.
Oh,
Taya mo. Come here close. Unjani buti?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Hi nami ngiyaphila. Am I speaking to Simphiwe?
Yebo ukhuluma naye.
Are you a lady or you're a man?
Ngiyindoda.
Okay, uyamazi umpumi asikisi.
Yebo
Oh, so singalokubaleka.
Kwenzakalani between wena nompumi?
Ngabaliki.
Umfumo umuntu wami.
Kanjani nini esikhathi sengikanganani ngijona nompumi?
Uzala.
Wakaya impumi.
Wenzani?
Ha?
Wenzani?
Uzomphiwe.
Ngicela ukuthi uze la. Hayibo. Akunali 2 years impumi usikeleme wena to wena ukade go fetsa 3 months mo. Go itakabele. Umpumi wa jola la mo strateng.
Uzomalana.
Hawu uthi ufuna ukukhuluma naye.
Wa jola mo strateng, go jola no another Simphiwe.
Uthi ufuna ukukhuluma naye, ungakhuluma khuluma naye ungangikho.
A ke go utlime isikate man wa jola motho. Semobambi.
Ngiyathuya.
Esinomuntu wakhe la. Mpumi yakho uhle bagabe.
Yini enze ufuna ukukhuluma naye?
Angithi wena ujola naye.
Boss.
Ukhuluma nompumi. Athi wena ga go itse akwazi.
Umpumi.
Sure.
And uwaka impumi.
Angithi
Ngeke nguthi ukhulume. Angithi siyashuta uvumile kudlala igame.
angithi
Uthini angithi ngitshela umpumi uthi amfuni.
thini? Ngizokufonela mas.
Mfonela ukuthini indoda ngitshele uhlakanisana.
Ima
Athi 2 years bajola.
Sina 2 years zokujola ngalo.
Hayi
ukhulume naye iqala.
Kethe.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma
No,
naye.
this is what taya screen. Are MMO. Taya.
Nizosicabanisa kanti.
Athi akele tabanisi wakanisa. Hayi nyamani mpumi. Emamo.
So kwalesikhathi lesi mina ngilongibhizi ngiloyali kuwe wena wenza so kanti wena.
Wena ukathi ngijive wena every weekend.
Ujayiva ukuthini mina ngitshele yonke lento.
Utshelani ukwaziphela wena imali yokujive wena.
Mina sengikumele ngize ngivele.
Akana mali wena ko jayitse kere. Wakaya impumi. We need to finish this game. You said you wanted to play the game.
Ayikho into engidlala ngayo ngawo.
Ngathi mina ngilongibhizi ngiloyali ngipene into serious kanje ngayo kanti ngiyazi.
Right, what if change?
Wenza uchenja. Change nini?
So uzochoose bani between Ena and the other Simphiwe.
Wensley man.
Simphiwe.
Which one? Hey, they do.
Mu.
The other one.
Lona 2 years.
Abakufuni.
Slima yimi ne?
Yeah.
Slima yimi.
Yeah.
Sangisho kanjani?
Islima uwe, islima we.
Understand. Wena ukwazi ukunderstand wena.
Islima kwena.
Ama picnic
Yeah.
ngobani?
Ngiloyal kuwe mfethu sonke lesikhathi singislima.
Yeah, kwena islim. Yeah. Yeah, 3 months.
Choice yami.
Uwe islima and you are young.
Yes.
Yeah.
Phula le phone.
Lethe.
Slim.
Asiyona kuyona.
Slima ne? Ngislima ne? Yazi.
Yeah.
Sana la.
Fake mangislima, kena islim.
Awangithuthe.
Sana la siyakhona ngislima.
Ba use.
Ngiyacanga mali manje.
Hayi ke.
Lokhu ziyaxola ngislima. Ngislima sonke lesikhathi.
Simasani. Simasani wena ngicabanga ukuthi every weekend mangiphuma naabo bani?
Nangu simphe ukuthi una 2 years shola nathi.
Yes, nale cover ngigqokile ngithengelwa week le uye.
Ngikhavela liwiki.
Makho manje.
Hawu mama mnini. Mama mnini.
Mama engasarikeka.
Futhi kwangislima mfethu kwangislima.
Ari kwena slima.
Akwangislima mfethu.
Ngiyakuzanga islima mina, angikwenza islima mina.
Yini into yenza?
So
Angithanda
wena uzoqhubeka nge-relationship.
kumele ngidlulise ngomthanda.
From today mina nakuphelile.
Sharp.
Uzoqhubeka nge-relationship.
Into kwangislima.
Eh.
2 years ukujwana nomuntu.
Wena vele bengingamthanda ngithi 3 months.
Hayi kura.
Amayipheli vele 3 months ya.
Uzobuya nyamazi
Uzobuya in 3 months.
Usonyamazi. Uzobuya.
So it's not the first time you're finding out.
Yazi umuntu lo mfethu akusokuqala ngimkhuza ngale nto.
In 3 months.
Nala time ngamkhuza.
Yekani.
Ile sekayekile lento lena kanti ungangisilile.
Yeah, guys.
Utshentsha kanjani ubhizi ujola futhi ngakho?
Yeah, my darling.
Yazi mfethu khathele uwe mina mfethu yazi kubeka ngalo simphiwo.
Yeah,
Sharp ngiyabonga.
Utsho ngibhayana ngegama lami.
yeah.
Siyamove apartment inentsha next week. Bye.
Okay. Alright yes.
Angina stress. Uthi ukhetha ukungithanda mos.
Ngiyaphuma kimi yazi.
Sharp.
Tshela.
Bye.
Okay, no, bye, Miss Cat. No, yeah. I didn't mean to break the relationship up.
It was already over, dear.
But wambe ngamtshela ukuthi amthandi lwena bicycle lwena man.
Nawe la egradini mina ngibonisa labantu kanti uyazi una kuyo uyazi ukuthi angithandi.
Uba strong.
Uzoba strong.
Umhlabeni la.
Yo.
Yo, bye darlings. Askis, utoyetsani no?
Angiphoxile yes.
Mara lwena bona the relationship is doomed. Aw, la gata o force Miss Cat askis ne?
Yo.
Askis utlaba right ne?
Yes, yo.
Utlaba right.
Ngapha mfethu lo muntu lona ngiphenike singakanani ngaye.
Aska war tle ke tswalele show mara thank you for participating yo. Yo askis ke nke sa re ke mosha relationship ne? I didn't mean to. Ke tla go fa some tips ya go trainer no these days ya no obe. Okay ne. O bona katse tsele a di fetsa go tsa botlhoko di gore meow and get back with the game. Askis Mahade. My name is Dineo Caro. I didn't even know relationship ele nintse fedile already. Nintse fedile already ga go jolege da. Wa bona le ge tla mo le they don't want to hold each other's hands and stuff like that. But anyway, my love from me, myself and the Chris and the Gloms. We're going to say again on another episode.
Singamemezi mas. Uthi nje welcome and dinner place singamfaki.
Dumela maboko ga ke re lo mogelesegele via it's a girl Dineo Caro and this is CMTV my scat kemo ni athebana na ntse ba ka couple teaching phones my scat na ke a re lo jola jwang rena re sa jole a re tsabe mo strateng re ba kene nsi gore what's happening ntshala morago nsi
and wena okwesithunga liba last wathi mandibambe izivuke ngizayimela mina lo nto
indaba yazenzakalani
Lobani lokusendela amabele.
ari ngutwe pelo
it's not what you think man khulumani ngoba uyasho lo muntu ukuthi una 2 years into
bathi
Nakita akithola pisha ke monna.